Good morning, everybody. So I thought we would do the next template in the Crafter's Companion template library, the orange one. And we are on template number 3. And I thought this time we'd do it a little bit different, and I thought we would use a pattern paper. And this paper is from Kaisercraft Flower Shop Collection. And more than likely, I got this from Tuesday morning, which in the backside's not great, and with this card that might matter, but this would be the other side of it. So maybe I use this one for matte layers and this one for the actual card. I think that's what we'll do. Let me put this away, out of the way. Anyways, okay. So this is a little bit different. It says it's a card, and we'll see. So I did say this one right, and then this would be matte layers. If we do matte layers, it doesn't look like they've done any matte layers, so maybe we won't use that one, maybe just this one. And I'm gonna get my embossing tool. There's not straight lines on the outside of this one, of course. Here we go. And I'm just going to go around the outside first. Just to keep my my system going so that I hopefully do not miss any of these. This has a lot of score lines and stuff to it. So I want to make sure I don't miss those score lines. So I'm going to stick to my method. I will do the outside first. And then I'll come this way with my score lines and stuff. Oops, come on. Okay, so I'm going to come this way, so score line. You know what, I'm not. I'm actually going to come this way first. And then I'll come down. Because this might get really confusing really quick. And I want to do the easiest I can. Okay, now I'm going to come down. So I'm going to start here. And here. And I want to get this one. And this one. And here. This can get very confusing. Okay. Oh, my. These can get very confusing. I don't know if I've missed any here now, because these really are kind of different. This is matte and layer. I believe I did this one. Score. Maybe it is better to go this way. I don't know at this point. I hope I got them all. Okay. Okay, it looks like I missed that one. It just could be the way I just maybe didn't see it. I'm just gonna make sure. Hopefully. Okay. Fingers crossed. And I got them all I can not see. Those lines, usually I can see it through the other side. With this, I can't. Okay, I gotta cut it out. Let's do... It's a little harder to see when you use pattern paper. Well, I guess it depends. Some of the pattern paper makes it really easy to see. This pattern paper is a little harder to see. Just cutting the outline. Oh, that didn't. There we go. All right. So there it is. Now we gotta fold it all up here and cut around the outer edge. Use a scoreboard and score. We don't need to do that. Erase the pencil lines. Fold and burnish all the score lines. So I'm gonna go this way. And this way. And this way. And actually, there is now that I can see every you're just scoring. So if you do a flower shape, And then you score down. Each one of these has their own, to where you get that on each petal. And that's the method here. So each petal is getting done that way. And then there's lines here, right? So, I don't know how you burnish that. You just gotta pinch it in. Every petal has a pinch. And then they all go in, and then what? Maybe they go the other way. This is always the hardest part, is figuring this part out, right? But I think this is it. So you don't pinch them in, you pinch them out. I believe. Yeah, you pinch them out. Pinch them out. So they're folded out. So then they're like this. And now it should all pinch in. No, out. There it is. You just gotta put them all to fold out, right? That stain. So they're all folded out. See, I got them all folded going outwards. Now, bring them in and just fold them all down. Just fold them down. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna work, but there you go. Now, you can do your mats and layers. They really only give you this one. So you would have to make your own. But I'm just going to do the one, and I'm going to leave these like this. And just do the one here. And I am still going to use this paper here. Somewhere I've got some little bees. It might be cute on this. And there's a little mini envelope. Do I want to do the envelope? I don't know what I would use it for. just gonna do this one actually ends up being very easy. And it looks like it when you're looking, but when I went to fold, I thought, oh, maybe it's not gonna be as easy as it looks, but it did end up being as easy as it looks. So that's a good thing. I have little spots where I didn't quite get it there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And okay, already. This. And then I guess if I wanted to, I could put one in there, but I like the fact that I got this in here so I could actually put a sentiment in here. And it goes right back to folding and holding. Yeah, those little bees that I got from Timu. I'm gonna have to find those because those would be cute on here. They're small and this is small. And you could actually even put them in here, you know, and then fold it. But yes, this is very cute. I like this. Who would you give it to? I don't know. I think like a little girl that likes, you know, little like puzzly things and stuff like that because of the folding it back up, and she might get a kick out of folding it. In this, they show this kind of being the top. This part right here being the top. So that's another thing you could look at. I don't know. But it's fun. It's a fun shape and it's fun folded and yeah. Alright, everybody, if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.